By simply sharing our observations, people like you and me are helping scientists answer real questions that they couldn't answer without us. This is called citizen science. Right now, all over the world, citizen scientists are investigating topics from oceans to stars, animals to air. Anyone can be a citizen scientist. Find everything you need with a trip to your local library. Research can be done anywhere and everywhere, inside, outside, at your local park, or online. It's easy to get started. Take a look at the different types of citizen science project kits on the website. Then head to your library to check one out. Read through the step-by-step instruction booklet in your kit. Create or log in to your SciStarter account. Choose a good spot for your investigation. Grab your project kit tools, and you're ready to start collecting data. When you finish the data collection, head back to the website for step-by-step instructions for submitting your findings. Your data will help scientists draw conclusions and make new discoveries. Turn your curiosity into impact by helping scientists answer real questions they can't answer without you. Become a citizen scientist today and get started at your local library.